Allah Azza wa Jal said, مثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة أنبتت سبع سنابل في كل سنبلة 100 حبة. Allah is speaking about the type of reward He will give you when you meet Him, subhanahu wa ta'ala. The ayah is saying, Allah Azza wa Jal is saying, the example of those who give money or those who donate and give charity fi sabilillah is the example of a habba. What is a habba? A seed. A seed. كمثل حبة أنبتت سبع سنابل. What does that mean? Anyone know? يعني this is one seed. We put it in the earth. We water it. As a result, a plant grows and 7 spikes grow. These things that come, the little branches that have the greens on it, they're called spikes or ears. 7 of them grow, and on each one there is 100 habba. There is 100 greens. 100 greens. So what does that mean? Meaning that seed you put in the earth was that sadaqah you put, that sadaqah you gave. On the day of judgment it multiplied. It became 7. And each one of the 7 carried 100. That's 700. Each sadaqah you give is multiplied by 700 times. Allahu Akbar. And then the ayah would say, Wallahu yudha'ifu liman yasha. And Allah Azza wa Jal, He multiplies for whoever He wills, how much He wills. Allahu Akbar.